I can't believe this, guys. I have just found an app that will allow me to have free and unlimited amount of gems on Frozen City. If you enjoy playing Frozen City like me and you want to get all the gems that you can possibly, you're in the right spot because I have just found the safest way that you can get Frozen City Plus. So this is not a hack or mod, this is just an app that allows you to get unlimited amount of gems on Frozen City. Sorry about this. And I'm about to show you all the steps that you need to take. So let's get on to work. Alrighty guys, let's get on to our work. So what I want to do first is actually show you how you can use Frozen City Plus. Once you get it, so you'll know what to do with the actual app. So let's enter Frozen City Plus. As you can see, we can see the unlimited diamonds option and unlock everything. So what I want to do is enable both the features and tap on generate. As soon as I tap on generate, I can go back to my original app and see them loading. Now guys, what they said, oh guys, as you can see, the diamonds are loading. So what they said we need to do is have the Frozen City app running in the background while we are using the Frozen City app. And remember that your Frozen City app needs to be updated to its latest version while you're using the Frozen City Plus app. Just visit your app store and check if the app is updated to its latest version. If your Frozen City Plus app is not working, this might be the reason. So let's go ahead and go to our settings app right now to show you what you need to do. So the first thing that you need to do is go to our general option, and then find this background app refresh option and turn it on for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Once you're done with that, what I want Android users to do is switch off their battery saver mode for the remains of the downloading process. The next step that we'll be taking is going to our browser, and you can use any browser that you want to. I'll be using my Safari browser right there, and let's go to this website right here. So this is a website where you can find many tweaked apps, plus apps, game hacks for completely free. And let's find Frozen City, which is right there. So let's tap on it. As soon as we do, we'll be able to see the ratings and leave our own reviews and ratings on the website if we want to. Now the next step that I want to do is tap on install button to start the downloading process, which is pretty quick and it won't take a lot of your time. You just need to let it complete until the end. And I can't explain to you guys how excited I am about this app because I never thought that I'll be getting as many diamonds as I did for completely free. You know I don't like to pay for the diamonds in Frozen City, so I was very excited when I saw this app and I was very much ready to share it with you. So as you can see, the downloading process is done, and the next step that we'll be taking is tapping on allow and then close. Once we tap on allow and close, what we need to do is go back to our settings app and find the profile downloaded option on the screen. Tap on view profile, tap on install, next, install, and then done. Once we're done with that, what we'll need to do is go back to our screen to see Frozen City on our phones. Now, the first time that you enter the app, you'll be redirected to your verification process, which I won't be showing you in today's video because all the steps for it will be loaded on the screen. Follow each and every step for the verification process, and once you're done with it, restart your mobile device and start enjoying the amazing Frozen City app. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, turn on the bell button if you want to get a notification when I upload the next video, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Have a great day and see you next time.